Today's featured pickup truck of the day is a 1986 Toyota SR5 cab and a half, or extended cab, however you look at it, pickup truck. And I'll read the seller's comments at the auction. And he said 1986 Toyota SR5 pickup, one owner California truck, desirable 22R engine with 5-speed manual transmission, previous restoration. And it doesn't mention the mileage anywhere, but it sold for $10,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 2021. And it was a good-looking truck. Had some big wheels on it. It was lifted, had a good stance, definitely an eyeball grabber, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1986 Toyota SR5 cab and a half, four-wheel drive pickup truck that sold for $10,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in November of 2021. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.